Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with Finviz. First, navigate to the Finviz website. You'll immediately see a comprehensive overview of the market, including heat maps and performance charts. This initial view provides a quick pulse on market sentiment. Utilize the top navigation bar to explore different sections like Screener or Maps to begin your analysis. It's a great starting point for any trader looking for an edge. Next, let's dive into the Screener, Finviz's most powerful feature. Click on the Screener tab. Here, you can apply numerous filters to find stocks that match your specific trading strategy. For example, you might filter for stocks with a market capitalization over $10 billion, a price above $20, and a positive 200-day simple moving average. Experiment with different combinations to refine your search and uncover promising candidates. Once you've identified potential stocks using the Screener, click on a ticker symbol to access its detailed page. This page offers a wealth of information, including interactive charts, recent news, and key fundamental data like P/E ratio and dividend yield. Pay close attention to the technical indicators and analyst ratings. This comprehensive view helps you make informed decisions before considering any trade. Finally, explore Finviz's advanced features like maps and groups to gain insights into sector performance and industry trends. You can also set up email alerts to notify you when stocks meet your predefined criteria, saving you valuable time. Remember, consistent practice with the platform will enhance your trading skills. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.